I want to make a manga, but I have no idea how. Well, look no further.
Meanwhile,
Hey, you ever have that feeling where you want to create something awesome, but your brain just hits a brick wall? Yeah, making a manga sounds cool, but where do you even start? First up, what's your story? Is it a high-flying action series, a psychological thriller? Maybe it's about a dude who turns into a vending machine. Wait, that already exists. Whatever it may be, you don't need a perfect idea right away. Just start with something simple. Who's the main character? What do they want? What's stopping them? And why should people care? Even basic little story ideas like a kid wants to be the greatest ninja of all time can turn into something legendary. Looking at you, Naruto. Just as long as you have an idea, you can turn it into a story. And hey, let's say your idea isn't completely original. That's okay. There are thousands upon thousands of manga inspired by other series. Let's take Dragon Ball for instance. Dragon Ball was inspired by a little series known as Journey to the West. And one of the characters in Journey to the West, Sun Wukong, was one of the main inspirations for Goku, a character we all know and love today.
That may explain where you've been for all of this time, but there's still a few things I'd like to know. For starters, where in the world did you get that absurd-looking outfit?
It's the latest fashion on planet Yardred, but I guess it does look a little strange. But at least it's not pink.
Never mind!
Now that you have your story idea, it's time to move on to
Step 2. Storyboard and panels. Manga is all about storytelling through panels. Your first draft doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to exist. Start with a rough storyboard, also called a name in Japanese, I don't know why. Think of it as a messy blueprint of your manga. You don't need crazy art skills or any education, just figure out how the story flows. Experiment with angles, close-ups and wide shots. For reference, you can study various mangakas or various mangas such as One Punch Man, Vagabond and whatever you like. Manga isn't just drawing, you have to think like a director. It's like placing cameras, it's cinematography.
The One Piece! The One Piece is real!
now let's talk tools. You can go old school with pen and paper, or digital with Clip Studio Paint, Procreate, or even free apps like Krita. Your art style will improve over time. Don't stress about being perfect. Just start drawing. If you are just starting digital art or you don't want to spend money, I recommend Mediband Paint. It is packed with all the features and tools you need to create your first manga. It even has cloud storage, works on multiple devices, making it a great choice for beginners and experienced artists. To be honest, I don't think you need all these fancy art gadgets if you want to make a manga. As long as you have a pen and paper, you are absolutely good to go.
We have technology!
Listen, you son of a bitch! What the fuck's your problem? You get in my face that I'll beat your goddamn ass, you son of a bitch! You piece of
Final touches and sharing your work. Once your pages are clean and polished and you're happy with the final result, it's time to show the world. Platforms like Webtoons, Tapas, and even Twitter are great for getting your work out there. Don't wait for the right moment and have that "I'll do it in a few weeks" mindset. Just start posting and improve as you go. That's what it's all about. And also, don't listen to the hate. It's natural and it comes from everywhere. People just hate the hate sometimes. They do it for the love of the game. So don't listen to it. And have fun making your manga.
Am I too fast for you, Goku?
Listen, making manga isn't easy. You're gonna mess up a lot, trust me. But that's how every great artist starts. The only difference between you and a pro like Kei Urana is that they didn't quit. So grab your pen, tablet, or whatever you got and start creating.